Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today it is with great pride that I am unboxing Yamaha's new Flagship M5000 power amplifier. This 100 into 8 ohms, 200 into 4 ohms power amplifier is astonishing. It's got some old school VU meters and of course is designed to complement either the new C5000 preamp or potentially as a high-end power amplifier for your processing preamp or even integrated receivers for home theatre. This thing is astonishing. Firstly, like anything from Yamaha that is supported with these large packing bands, you expect it to be heavy, and this really is. This is probably the heaviest thing from Yamaha I've ever unboxed, so if you see me huffing and puffing by the end of this, you'll know why. So, let's have a look. Firstly, massive box. Gives you the gives you an understanding of what is inside. There is model and serial number information just on one side, and the rest of it is just basically muted in brown. Removing these packing bands is really straightforward. Trim them, yank them out, and get rid of them. Now at this point, unusually for most of Yamaha's, there's actually a lid to remove. This is a hefty, good solid box, revealing inside an additional layer of protection for its colour box. So beautiful, good solid packaging, and what's inside is just superb. It's got no lighter, obviously only by a little bit. It's heavy. Opening this layer is very straightforward. It's a simple little nick, tear, and you can easily open the box. Now at the very top there's a little bit of that bubble paper designed to protect the next layer. And that next layer is the accessories and power cords and other things like that. The first thing you'll see and unique to this reference range is this tuning fork. This is like a little signature, I guess. It's a little card. That's a postcard size. I would put that on a bookcase or frame it, to be honest. And it's got all of the information of the people that have devoted their lives to making this product sound perfect. There's an IEC power cord and then the accessories inside a small cardboard box. In here we have a full manual associated with the product, warranty card, and some information about contacting the international distributors should you have any problems. Then nothing much more other than a simple 3.5mm mono control cable. Now for obvious reasons that's to link back to whatever you might be turning on to ensure this one turns on with it. Okay. Now with these 5000 series, the C and M, they have much heavier weight, more durable sort of polystyrene style packaging. Of course it's designed to protect this much heavier product in transit. Now lifting this out is not going to be easy, so give me a second. Oh. Second attempt. Here we go. Now, the unit itself is protected with a heavier weight sort of bubble paper. It's that sort of combination of perhaps polystyrene and bubble wrap that gives a nice hard wearing soft covering, ensuring that this is never going to be scratched or damaged in transit. There's 10 or so bits of tape just kind of holding all of this together. The power amp itself is relatively straightforward to remove once you've taken it from there. Now, like the preamp, the first thing I'm going to show you, although this is astonishing, is actually underneath. Have a look. it has beautiful feet. That's that rattling you might be able to hear. Okay. They've got ball bearing style isolation to ensure that resonance and other things like that are not going to be affecting this product. You'll also see as we have a first glance how beautifully made this product is. Please hang around for some of the close-up photographs that I'll take of this product, where you'll see just how beautiful this is and how much attention to both detail and engineering they have gone through. The main power switch is taped in place, and removing that tape leaves no residue. And we can have a look for the first time at that beautiful clear front. As we start on this side, we've got a basic input of either line or RCA or balanced. It's a simple switch, and it defeats the balanced input that is available and turns it into a single-ended. You've got the ability to turn on, off and change the VU meters on the front, and you've got speaker A, B or A plus B for the purposes of biamping or something along those lines. Of course, these beautiful VU meters and a toggle power switch. Please hang around for some photographs. I'm going to power this up so that we can see it illuminated. So tip it forward very gently. You'll see the extremely heavyweight extruded aluminium top plate, the grooves that match beautifully the preamp, and then the additional amplification ventilation. This being silver with the gloss black paneling, the first thing you should be seeing, of course, is that there are no exposed screws on any of the surfaces other than the back. And it's at the back that we see some of the engineering that these people at Yamaha have really put their attention into. Looking at it, we've got these massive, overly engineered binding posts. It allows for a 5-way connection. So we've got banana plugs and spades. Should you use a spade, there's a second sort of washer to allow a little bit of slippage and very good tight contact. Again, because of the A and B speaker switch at the front, you've got the dual outlets that are available. You've got the 12-volt trigger, both in and out. So in, obviously, as you turn on a home theatre amplifier or processor or preamp, this will turn on. And out is a loop out to the next product. This power amplifier can be bridged mono, so should you end up with a series of these, then you can end up with them in a daisy chain, all turning on and off appropriately. There is the standby feature, which is the ability for it to automatically turn off should it not sense an input. You've got obviously the IEC input. The balance of this product is beautiful from a physical balance. And behind here you've got the capacitors and the power supply, all designed to ensure that the product is very stable, hence why it's got a central IEC power cord. Above it you've got a few other mode switches associated with normal or bridged mode, and a set of single-ended RCA inputs, and a set of balanced inputs as well. The balanced input has an unusual feature of being able to invert the input should it be required. And obviously the other side is the other pair of output stages. So this power amplifier, this beautiful creation, just look at that. Isn't it stunning? It's extremely heavy, it's brilliantly well made, it looks so elegant. It almost looks like it's a racing car of hi-fi, but with the elegance of a beautiful model. So there we have it. The M5000, couple 100-watt power amplifier, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.